Well, ladies and gentlemen, Mahayuti has recorded a historic victory in Maharashtra. And in case you missed the election coverage yesterday on Republic, watch this report to see how Jharkhand and Maharashtra voted.
बहुत खुशी हो गई है। ये तो मालूम था मुझे कि वो जीतने वाला है, जो कि पूरे 5 साल उसने जो मेहनत की, कभी घर नहीं, दार नहीं, बच्चे नहीं, बीवी नहीं, कुछ नहीं, सब पूरा घूमता था, पूरे महाराष्ट्र में उसका काम चल रहा था।
Ladies and gentlemen, please watch the Laddu channel. I have done many things in my life. I founded channels, founded networks. I disown everyone today. I disown everyone except Republic. I have nothing to do with them. I disown you. I disown all the Laddu channels of the world. Congress, if you include Maharashtra, right, you have 288 seats. And you include Jharkhand. Jharkhand has how many seats? 81 seats, right? That means there are 369 seats.
Yeah.
Out of 369 seats, reality check, the Congress party is getting only 33 seats out of 369. It's a very small regional party. Congress is a small regional party. Not a small national party, but a small regional party.
बात ऐसे है भाई, जो नतीजे सामने आए उसके ऊपर मैं विश्वास रखने को तैयार नहीं। ये जनता का फैसला मानने को तैयार है।
आज महाराष्ट्राच्या विधानसभा निवडणुकांचा निकाल लागला। पूर्णपणे अनपेक्षित आणि अनाकलनीय असा हा निकाल आहे। पटला नाही तरी सुद्धा निकाल लागलेला आहे आणि असा हा माझा महाराष्ट्र हा असा वागेल याच्यावरती माझा विश्वास नाहीये। नक्की काहीतरी गडबड।
एक अहम बात आपने ये कही कि हमारी कुछ सीटें जो है हमको अपने गठबंधन के जो मित्र हैं उनको देनी पड़ी, चाहे वो उबाटा हो, उद्धव ठाकरे हो, चाहे वो शरद पवार हो। आपको लगता है कि इसका सबसे बड़ा खामियाजा कांग्रेस पार्टी को भुगतना पड़ा?
हाँ, उसका परिणाम तो थोड़ा बहुत रहेगा, क्योंकि दलित, मुस्लिम जो कांग्रेस का कट्टर जो मजबूत वोट बैंक है उसमें थोड़ी सी गड़बड़ियां हुई है।
There is a total wipeout, Harsh, of the Congress party in the bypolls to all the 4 states. West Bengal, wipeout. Assam, wipeout. Uttar Pradesh, wipeout. In fact, the situation is so bad, such a catastrophe, that in an election where the Shiv Sena of Eknath Shinde and NCP of Ajit Pawar have won more seats in Maharashtra individually than the Congress party has gone in 6 states. It is not a national party. See, you have to at some point of time. You are not a national party. You have won zero states in the 2024 assembly polls.
रिजल्ट हमारी आशा के विपरीत गए हैं और इसमें मुझे कोई संशय नहीं है कि हम शायद महाराष्ट्र में बहुत ज्यादा बेटर कर सकते थे।
जिस तरीके से लोकसभा में 151 असेंबलीज पे हमारी लीड थी, वो सिमट कर अगर इस नंबर पे आ गई है तो एक प्रश्न चिन्ह जरूर उठता है कि कैसे इतना डिफरेंस आ गया।
When we went into the alliance with the BJP, we were all toying with the idea. We had spoken and discussed with Pawar Sahab on many occasions.
Which means it was not an ideological issue.
No, I don't think so. And
it was an issue of accommodation.
No, I don't think so, because otherwise we would not have been engaging in the conversation.
The BJP is much stronger in 2024 in terms of national presence, because this entire bloc, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Andhra, right, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, large parts which were not saffronized have all gone with the, now Rajasthan is also with them. So there's been a complete saffronization of the country. If I look at today's result in terms of actual number of seats, 167 seats have been won by Modi, 39 seats have been won by Congress. There is no comparison. Now I take the clock back. I say कि mood setting election June 4th, when the national election results came, I told our research team find out all the assembly seats that have been fought since then, and I found that Modi has won 231 seats since Lok Sabha, and Congress has won only 75 seats. There is in reality no BJP Congress comparison at a one-to-one party.
This एक रहेंगे safe रहेंगे, बटेंगे तो कटेंगे. You think, oh, ये थोड़ा controversial slogan है. But at the end of the day, I was speaking to my wife today, and she said, you know, this resonates with me. As a Hindu, it resonates with me. Because at the end of the day, we saw what happened after the Lok Sabha polls. You had Abdul Razak and Tanveer here 10 minutes ago. Every discussion veers to attacks on Muslims. At the end of the day, you talk about, oh, Islamophobia. But then if you primarily identify yourself as Muslim and say you're a Hindu, then you're going to have the Hindus also push back and say, well, theek hai, let's also talk about Hindu unity.
बटेंगे तो कटेंगे, एक रहेंगे तो सेफ रहेंगे. तो एक रहेंगे, सेफ रहेंगे पर देश की जनता जनार्दन ने राष्ट्रीय एकता और अखंडता को मजबूती प्रदान करने के लिए, सुरक्षा और समृद्धि के लिए अपना जनादेश दिया है.
Look at the sweep in Maharashtra. Look at the numbers here, ladies and gentlemen. 2019 Maharashtra, 2024 Maharashtra. Look at the geographical spread. In 2019, BJP got 105 seats with a vote share of 26.1%. This time the party gets 133 seats with a vote share of 26.62%. The Shiv Sena Shinde faction performs well with 33 seats and a vote share of 12.44%. Between Shiv Sena and BJP, they have a combined vote share, ladies and gentlemen, of almost 49%. And I'm not including Ajit Pawar out here. The vote share comparison with 2019 is huge. The vote share comparison with 2014 is also significant. But the most important thing, ladies and gentlemen, is the geographical spread. You can see the entire of Maharashtra, including the Vidarbha region, has gone entirely with the BJP. You know, sometimes we undermine it, then we decide, politicize it, but this is the reality. Manasvi, is Ratan Sharda senior to you? Is Ratan Sharda senior to you? Is Uday Mahurkar senior to you? Will you be quiet, Saurabh Ganapathy, please? Ratan Sharda.
कहते थे कि बीजेपी को लोग छोड़ के जा रहे हैं. ठीक है, बीजेपी वीक हो गई, एनडीए के कई पार्टियां छोड़ के जा रहे. अब कहते बीजेपी ने छोड़ा. अरे भैया, पार्टियां छोड़कर गई और खुद का नाश किया. बीजेपी ने क्या किया? अकाली दल ने छोड़ा पंजाब.
Wait a minute, यार, let him finish. क्या जल्दी है? क्या जल्दी है?
अकाली दल ने छोड़ा अलायंस. अलायंस और पार्टियों ने छोड़ा और भुगता. बीजेपी ने किसी को नहीं निकाला. वो बीजेपी. और आप पिछले इलेक्शन में यही खुश हो रहे थे. आरएसएस तो है ही नहीं पॉलिटिक्स में भाई. उसको बीच मत लाइए. आरएसएस को बीच मत लाइए. आरएसएस कमजोर नहीं हुई है. आरएसएस पॉलिटिक्स में नहीं है.
Ratan Sharda is asking you something. Go ahead.
What happens to Sharad Pawar ji?
What happens to Sharad Pawar?
One minute. And was it a mistake on the part of Sharad Pawar not to have accepted your repeated request to join BJP, the Mahayuti, which you were trying? You tried your level best. Was it a mistake on his part? Do you think so at this stage?
Well, I for one would say that we tried our very best, to ask him again and again that please, in the interest of development, in the interest of a larger pan-India agenda of the Bharatiya Janata Party, which is doing so well, Prime Minister Modi and Pawar Saab also have had a great deal of mutual respect and admiration for each other. I don't know why suddenly Pawar Saab, just backed out of the alliance when we were going into it. And at some stage, even we were all toying with the idea that we should be, including Pawar Saab, that we should be, working with the Mahayuti in Maharashtra and the NDA in Delhi.
Narendra Modi is at a political high. He has won back all the credibility which people tried to affect. Ladies and gentlemen, 28 out of 46 other by polls, 7 out of 9 in Uttar Pradesh, 233 in Maharashtra and 48 in Haryana. Of course, Jharkhand has not gone his way, but the mood setting has already happened.
कांग्रेस और उसके साथियों ने जम्मू कश्मीर में फिर से आर्टिकल 370 की दीवार बनाने का प्रयास किया। महाराष्ट्र ने उनको साफ साफ बता दिया, ये नहीं चलेगा। अब दुनिया की कोई भी ताकत 370 को वापस नहीं ला सकती। लगातार तीसरी बार स्थिरता को चुनना, ये महाराष्ट्र के लोगों की सूझबूझ को दिखाता है। हां, बीच में जैसा भी नड्डा जी ने विस्तार से कहा था, कुछ लोगों ने धोखा करके अस्थिरता पैदा करने की कोशिश की, लेकिन महाराष्ट्र ने उनको नकार दिया है और उस पाप की सजा मौका मिलते ही दे दी है। बाला साहब ठाकरे का इस देश के लिए, समाज के लिए बहुत बड़ा योगदान रहा है। कांग्रेस ने सत्ता के लालच में उनकी पार्टी के एक धड़े को साथ में तो ले लिया, तस्वीरें भी निकाल दी, लेकिन कांग्रेस का कोई नेता बाला साहब ठाकरे की नीतियों की कभी भी प्रशंसा नहीं कर सकते। और इसलिए मैंने अघाड़ी में कांग्रेस के साथी दलों को चुनौती दी थी कि वो कांग्रेस से बाला साहब ठाकरे की नीतियों की तारीफ में कुछ शब्द जरा बुलवा करके दिखाएं। आज तक वो ये नहीं कर पाए हैं।
Fadnavis today scripted one of the best performances of the party in the history of Maharashtra politics.
From Thane to Mumbai, as constant celebration, there are party leaders.
बीजेपी का सुनामी आ गया है।